All right, what's going on, everybody? How y'all doing today? Today, I'm going to be installing those lips and stuff for those side splitters and wrist splitters on the car that I was talking about. So, pretty much here goes supplies that we're gonna need. The parts did come with self-tapping screws, but I already have some. I got these from Home Depot. The self-tapping screws here. Might want to pick you up some of these. Work. I got this one. I got two. Actually, I got two of these. I got two of the 30 pounds. That's for the side splitters. The heavy duty double-sided mounting tape. And I also got the 15-pound, the clear one for the rear. All right, coat. I don't need the super glossy finish. I had this around the house for a while anyways, working on other projects. Some of the best black paint ever. The Rust-Oleum high performance gloss black paint. The reason why I got the paint is for these carbon fiber style side splitters here. These the screws that came with it. I'm not gonna use these. I have my own self-tapping. If I need them, I will use them. But it's good that it came with it. But this is the reason why I'm gonna use the black paint. Okay, so as you can see, this is not completely black. So pretty much what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna sand this down a little bit and spray paint these black and let them dry so they match with the rest of the car. And actually they're going to go on the rear part of the car. That's what they look like. It is 78.7 inches if I'm not mistaken. As you can see right here, this is where the hardware that it came with goes in. It hooks in 3 pieces. It's actually a 3-piece part, so we're gonna get that, spread it out. And let's take the rest of these out. This for the other side. As you can see, we got this. Like, I think they're gonna come out pretty nice. Like one of these, like I'm gonna spray paint that black to match up with that. This was the last one in stock as well. Second half. The universal kick that I got from Walmart. And last but not least, we got these last 2 pieces here. Like, it's a cheap mod. It ain't expensive. It ain't stealing. It ain't none of the special ones. So pretty much what we're gonna be doing is putting our tape on, drilling our own holes here where we want to line it up at, and getting them on there. Like I said, I got this from Walmart, and this is the hardware that it comes with. This is the hardware that it comes with. I already come with its own self-tapping screws and everything. Only thing it didn't come with was masking tape. So we're gonna go from there. We're gonna get this started and go from there. Alright, now that we got both of them created, got them put together, now we gotta line them up with the passenger and driver side over here. We need to clean from under the bottom right there, make sure everything can stick. Also need to get this double-sided tape on here as well. So we're gonna work on that next. But the next thing before we start that, we're gonna paint these carbon fiber pieces over here. So we'll do that next. All right, now we got that painted. Got them on there. We ain't looking for the best kind of paint, but we're just trying to get it black to match the rest. So we got it painted. Let that dry for a few. Get started working on these. Put them on their right side. See how we gonna mount this up. Got all my double-sided tape on all the way across. Getting ready to put it in its place now, below. So we're going right down here. I'm going right up under there. We'll go from there with this. Get ready to peel these sides out. Get ready to put this in its place down there. And get ready to put my self-tapping screws in. And we'll go from there. I can't record everything. My stand actually messed up on me just now. So, sorry if I don't get every good angle, but y'all kind of get the point. These are coming off. Take that off, and we're gonna get ready to stick it on. Pretty much what we're gonna be doing now next. So yeah. After struggling and fighting with this thing, I think I got this side on better than the other side. This one, look, for some reason, it's sitting out right. I think the other side sticks out a little more. I measured them out about the same. I did do something a little different on this side though than I did with the other side, but overall, it's looking good, especially from the side right there. Both sides, never be even. Like I said, this is my first time doing it, and I'm doing this without it being on a lift or help from someone else. So y'all bear with me. Overall, it's looking good. Like I said, I just got to put the screws in now. Got to do the rear back here. I'm gonna start working on that next. Those should be good and dry now. So almost done with it. I'm not taking it back off, man. That Gorilla double-sided mountain tape, that stuff's strong, so I'm definitely not. It's stuck in place now. It is what it is at this point. So, it's matching up with the front. So, hey, we're just gonna roll with it. As you can see, this side, I feel like one side is a little bit better than the other, but really can't tell though. You can see more of this side than the other side, but it's overall, it's pretty good. Like, I could slap it back some more, but like I said, the car ain't the same on each side. It's just like your eyebrow, or one side of your body ain't the same. All right, I readjusted this side. Like I said, I can put the screws in over here. Now it's time to start working on the back. All right, got this piece on. Got the clear part, clear double-sided tape on. Everything Gorilla Glue. Got the sides on right there. Still gotta add my mounting screw. That's gonna be last. Now I gotta put this on.
Modz production.
still got the rear on. Sides up front. Might come back with a clear coat, another clear coat. Not sure. I only put one on there. I might throw another one on there. I think it's matte, so I need to probably get a gloss. But I don't really too much care about that. I mean, it's shiny enough, it's matching up. That's all that matters. Pretty much all I got left now is to put the self-tapping screws in, and then I'm good to go. So we gonna go from there. Right. What's going on, everybody? How y'all doing? It's CountryBoyModz here. I'm just gonna give y'all a quick walk around this finished product of the side skirt splitter install. As you can see, go around the rear. Look at it from the rear part. This on the driver's side. I mean, overall, it looks good. Overall, it looks good on the car, man. It's actually pretty nice. Came out better than I expected. I still got some things I got to do to it, as far as like finishing up, fastening it down a little more. But yeah, overall, this car looking real good right now. Trying to get y'all that better look. Zoom in a little bit. As you can see, it got that at the bottom there. But overall, it came out the way I wanted it. So, got a few other things to do next, and we're gonna go from there. Thank y'all for watching this CountryBoyModz, and y'all be safe. Thanks for the support and subscribers and everything to the channel. We on the road right now. We got a lot more coming. So y'all take it easy.